Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We are fixing to do some acrylic. Alright, and what I've done is I've put on the Nail Couture pipe nails and I cut them down to make them square. So these are a little shorter than I normally do or recently have normally done. So I just want to show you. I love the way these look. They have a really nice sharp C-curve. They do already have like the apex built. I have 4 of MVP Nail Designs acrylics. I have 3 of her glitters, 1 of Gina's glitters, which is Cafe Nails by Gina. I'm also going to be using a new acrylic and monomer. We're going to be using the ModelOnes acrylic powder liquid kit. Now, as a free gift, you guys can also get a brush. They did not send me the brush, sadly, so I don't have a brush that I could show you guys. But I do have a picture of it on my phone, and I'll show you what it looks like. Alright, so right here, you get the liquid monomer, a huge thing of acrylic, and you get an aquarium brush for $26.99, plus you can use my coupon code, which is always down below. I believe it's like Baby Girl Nails 10 or 15, it's something like that. Already smell it, it's very, very strong. So if you guys don't do the liquid monomer that well, this is probably not for you. This is 4 fluid ounces. It says Professional Acrylic Nail System. That's what it looks like. And then we also have the ginormous clear acrylic. Look at this thing, you guys. It's huge. This is also 4 ounces. And there we have it. Leave a link for that kit down below if you guys are interested in it. I am going to also use, this is a brush I got from Tones a long time ago. I think it's like a 8, size 8. And then I'm also going to be using a 3D brush, and this is probably what I'll be using most because I'm not putting that much acrylic on my nails. Okay, so now normally people would go in and put a clear coat on top, clear acrylic, but in this case we're just not going to do that. I'm actually just going to go ahead and go in with my 3D brush, 3D acrylic brush. I think I got this from Born Pretty store a long while back. And I'm just going to start playing around and laying the color. So I'm just going to, here we go. And another thing you want to do with Gigi's acrylics is you're going to use them wet. They work a lot easier when they're used wet. Not that wet, but wet. And as you can see, I'm trying to keep it on the thin side. I'm not trying to build up these nails. And I think I honestly picked up way too much that last time. And then that one, I picked up too much. That time I picked up not enough. Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and start fast forwarding it from here on. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to go ahead and encapsulate. That way I can file some of this down. So here we go. I'm going to add some more music, and I'll see you when I'm done. Alright, I am done encapsulating. Now all we got to do is file. So I am going to go ahead and get that set up, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, I just filed with my brand new Melody Susie dust collector. This dust collector is not going to be ready, available until September, I think around the 15th, 20th, something like that. I do have a coupon code, and I'll have a link and all that good stuff, but it's not going to be until September. But you will see me file these nails in that video, in this review, so you guys can know how well this thing works, if it works, and all that good stuff. So I did go ahead and file them. Now I'm just going to take a regular hand file and just finish filing, buff the surface shine, and we'll come back, add some gems, some top coat, and we'll be done. Alright, the last thing to do is to add some rhinestones. So here we go, you guys. I'm going to take my nail glue, adhere their stone, and then we're going to top coat it. Alright guys, I'm going to top coat it with my Après Gel No Wipe Top Coat. So here we go. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, here we go. Here is my ocean themed nails, acrylic nails. Let me know what you guys think down below. Let me know what you think. Hope you guys enjoyed it. And the last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to grab some cuticle oil by Loved by Verdi. This is her coconut lime verbena, and you can order this from her website at www.lovedbyverdi.com. So I'm just going to add a little bit to my cuticles. But there you go. There are my acrylic nails. Let me know what you guys think. I think I am getting better at my acrylic application. It's really, really easy also when the tips are already built for you. Like the nails that I put on first. It's so much easier doing acrylic that way, because then all you gotta do is slap it on and make sure you file it really good. Which I know I have a little bit of improvement to go, but I think they look pretty good. Let me know what you think down below. Subscribe if you are new. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you know when I upload. Please give it a big thumbs up, you guys. I would really appreciate that. Share it with a friend if you'd like. And I will see you in my next video. I hope you all have a blessed day, and I'll see you then. Bye.